So who needs a rancher in Winslow Township? Something that is turnkey, move-in ready? I got it right here. We're gonna check it out. It's 229 Pump Branch Road, Waterford Works, Winslow Township, New Jersey. This property is the epitome of perfection. It's really, really nice across the board. I can just tell you, you can see the roof that's only 2 years old. Driveway is perfect. Sprinklers in the front yard, tight. All told, there's about 1,600 square feet. It's got the 2-car garage, obviously, got the breezeway, but man, it's got some nice stuff on the inside. How nice does this room feel? Got the wood floors, you got the diagonal miter cut wall, gas log fireplace, absolutely fantastic. Hot water baseboard heat, and then you got the central air in the ceiling. And here you have a Bow Anderson window, copious sunshine all morning, late into the afternoon, nice. Everything that you see here is gonna be really, really tight. Got this awesome kitchen, got this countertop, looks like Corian to me, carries on to the main space, and we'll go through this a little bit more thoroughly, but it's got that corner window, absolutely fantastic. And who doesn't love this? This is so special. This is, I'm not gonna say it's the most comfortable room in the house, but this is pretty darn nice. You get the afternoon sunshine as the sun comes across, beautiful sunset across the field, all windowed. It's got baseboard heat in it, just perfect. And then outside, got a pro stamped concrete walkway, patio, nice. The grounds and grass are really good shape here in early spring. The beds are cut out, got this great shed. And then to the back of you, the property line is approximately before these trees, but there's nobody behind you except you and nature. Kitchen's awesome, plenty of cabinets, electric flat top, backsplash nice, and my favorite feature is really right here. Just kind of get to gaze out and enjoy nature's bounty. This is the breezeway section of the house. Washer, dryer, tucked in, good, and then more of the same. Concrete's painted. You got the back side of the brick fireplace, and then you enter into your 2-car garage. So you can see it's got a half ton in here and pull down attic, plenty of space. Let's check out the bedroom wing. Basement's gonna be over there. And here, got 3 bedrooms, and you have 2 full baths. This is gonna be bath for the hall and the 2 auxiliary bedrooms. And then check out this tile work. All pro, modern, beautifully done. We'll call this one bedroom number 3. Look how neat that is. This one will be bedroom number 2. Windows are all in nice shape. And then this would be the master bedroom. Fit for a queen, royalty. Got a closet in there. And you have this awesome stand-up shower, all tile. Look at those big rectangular tiles, all pro. You got the small tiles at the bottom, and you got the accent detail, crown moldings. Simply exquisite. Let's check out the basement, and you can see some of the infrastructure down there. It's a full basement. It's got the hot water baseboard heat, best that you can get. So what's great down here is you have baseboard heat, and then you have another room. It's not a bedroom, but it's got the baseboard heat. Kind of use it as you want. And then you have this large utility area. This is the nerve center of the house. You have hot water heater, which is newer, 2023. You have this great boiler, and you have your well system here. And this is the in-ground irrigation, which is all on timers, and you have manual controls, and you have the pro blowouts, which I absolutely love. If this is the right house for you, please give us a call at 609-400-3035 and make your appointment as soon as you can. If it's not the right house, and I couldn't know why that would be, but make sure you subscribe and like so that you see all the new properties as they come out. And we handle all South Jersey, and we're gonna have a whole bunch of these properties similar to this, but maybe not as nice, coming out very, very shortly. And to cap it off, this one is approximately 1,600 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, private setting here in Waterford Works, Winslow Township. And you can see that everything is perfect here. Turnkey, don't need to do much of anything, just move yourself in.